one.
Ooh, ding, 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 ding. You know, what is your favorite puri combination, curry?
I love pitla with little bit of aloo in that.
A lot of preparations that go very well with puri. One is the pitla curry
curry.
and aloo masala curry is another thing. I remember whenever we used to go for a picnic, that used to be the number one combination in schools. And chole masala or even the rava kesari sweet, you know, halwa puri is also great combination. Today we are going to make Channa Goli masala. It will be fantastic. So for making this, all you need to do is take the chickpea flour, chili powder, hing, turmeric. In this, add baking powder and also add some salt. Very finely chopped coriander and add some oil and add very little water and make a tight dough, just like the way we make gatta curry. We can do these golis in two ways. One thing is you can fry them, other one thing is you can just boil them or steam them. So the dough is nice and ready. All you need to do is make them into little balls.
Okay.
Let's see who's going to make them fast. I am good at handling the balls.
This is not ball.
By age, you know, they get a little bit off shape. My God, this is the reason why Queen Victoria, if she is there on the show, my mind goes in gutter. And the beauty is, she ignores whatever I am saying. The reason we added a little bit of chopped coriander and little baking powder, because when you eat them, they need to be slightly soft. Even though they look like these small little balls, when they are done, they will slightly swell up. Just for 3-4 minutes of boiling should be good enough. Remove from the water and let them slightly dry out. Now we are going to make the same gravy like Channa masala gravy. We are going to use the chole masala, and when the gravy is ready, we are going to add this. Along with that, when you eat puri, it will be fantastic. Fantastic. To make this curry, we are going to add some oil, add whole garam masala. In this, add a little bit of cumin, add finely chopped onion, some salt. When the onions are slightly colored, add turmeric, ginger garlic paste, add some chopped green chili. Chole masala is never spicy enough for me, so I am going to add extra chili powder, some coriander powder, and also add tomato puree. And let this cook just for like a few minutes till the tomatoes are slightly cooked. Then we are going to add the water, chole masala, and also for the katas you can also add a little bit of tamarind juice, or you can add lime juice or whatever, and that will give a nice gravy. When you add these chole balls in it, the gravy will slightly start getting thickened also. Add water, add chole masala, and also add the Channa Goli. You can let this cook on a slow flame for like next 7-8 minutes or 10 minutes. In the meantime, we will make the puri. Whenever we make puri at home, we use whole wheat flour, but at the railway station, they usually use maida. But if you are using whole wheat flour at home, make sure it is not zero maida flour or multigrain atta. You will not get good puris. Use whole wheat flour, 100% wheat flour. And in this, to make the puris nice, when they puff up, you want them to be puffed up. You can add suji, that is rava, and this technique we use only in the hotels. We never add suji at home. In this, add salt. Okay, enough, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, because she wants the puri also to be very nice, tasty. In this, add little bit oil and add water. Now you have to make a stiff dough. Do not make it a soft dough, make a stiff dough. Whenever you are cooking at home, planning is very, very important. So in that planning category, she literally gets 100 marks, because whenever anything is there need to be cooked, she is always pre-planned. She keeps the mise en place. That means before day, she will plan something, she will cut and keep everything. Since the lockdown has happened, me in the kitchen all day, of course,
I'm enjoying the food.
And now in the morning, she is doing Zumba and now knead the dough. When I was a trainee, they used to make us do these puris, and for a party of 2,000 people, can you imagine, we have to roll like at least 6,000 puris, and that too small ones, but we are going to make big ones today. Okay, whenever we are making large quantity of puris, we just roll it like this, and if you want bigger puris, bigger ones. Okay, 3 slightly bigger ones. If you want to make a smaller puri, roll it like this and cut small. So this will be kind of small puris. Roll them like this. And for rolling the puri, never use the flour because your oil will get bad. Add little bit of oil and toss like this. And this will also prevent the dough from drying. We usually roll them 3-4 hours in advance, and when the party is on, we fry very fast and then serve really hot puris. So we got big ones, we got small ones. Depending on the thickness you want, the curry is all ready. Add some chopped coriander. You can also squeeze in lime juice and always adjust the taste in the last. So most of the times you may not see us in the show, but we check the taste at least 2-3 times, then we adjust whether the spice, the sourness or whatever. This is my rolling pin and that is yours. Press and roll it. What we do is we roll them and arrange them in a row. So this way we just lift the entire puris and put it on the hand. So when it is time to fry, when we are making in the hotel, we just throw it in a big kadai. We throw it. If the oil is nice and hot, they should puff up right away. Have to be treated with love. Love means just add them and press them and they will all puff up. So look at this. When you press them and you pour the hot oil on top, they will puff up nicely. So another puri. So just, and you have beautifully puffed puris. The beautiful curry is ready. Add some chopped coriander. When the whole puri you kind of press, that's when it will puff up nicely. And look at this beautiful, balloon like puris. You rolled it, good. So nice. And this is the color I want. Whenever the puris are done, eat them hot. I'm going to serve this nice chole. You want some onion, lemon and a green chili to bite on. Okay? Why don't you start eating? Let me fry my puri.
One.
Oh, look at the fume.
We need to wait.
One more puri. Super puri. Everybody's puri. My puri. Everybody puri. Super puri. And where is my plate? Where is my plate? Okay, I have a plate here. So, big guy, big puri. The beauty is, because we added a little bit of suji, these will remain little puffed up even though I have made it nice and big. Squeeze a little bit of lemon juice and ooh, ding, 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 ding. Eat hot puri. That's when we eat in a competition. These little Channa golis, they will literally melt in your mouth. Whenever you eat the best of the best food, all you need to do is ding chicka, ding chicka, ding chicka, ding chicka. Enjoy good food every day. Be hot. Nice. Good.